How to set up and use the new Passwords app in iOS 18. Let's get started. With iOS 18, Apple has introduced the Passwords app, a dedicated tool designed to make managing your passwords, passkeys, and verification codes easier and more secure. Located right on your home screen, the app consolidates all your credentials in one place and syncs seamlessly with your iCloud keychain. To set up, simply open the app, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and your existing passwords will be imported automatically. Adding new passwords is effortless. Tap the plus icon. Type in website name, username, and password. Also, you are able to add notes. Once you are done, click Save. Managing passwords is just as simple. You can view, edit, or delete saved credentials with a few taps. For extra security, the app supports passkeys, which replace traditional passwords for supported apps and websites, and generates verification codes for two-factor authentication, streamlining the login process. With the Passwords app, Apple has taken password management to a whole new level, making it more secure and convenient than ever. Whether you're storing, sharing, or updating passwords, this app is a must-use feature in iOS 18. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.